What's up, you guys? I am back. I look awkward. Use my this month. What's up, guys? I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna be using my BoxyCharm box that I got this month, and I'm gonna be using the products in that box. I did save the other one for the last month so I could compare it so y'all could see this month box. This one is last month box. You can see the difference. Way difference. Like, why? I don't understand. Why did it went to this to this? But I do like the products that came in this box, and I can't wait to use this palette because I didn't know BoxyCharm had their own makeup line, but look how pretty that is. That's really pretty. And then the inside is so pretty. I can't right here caught my eye, so we're gonna be using this color because it's so pretty. It came with the QMS. I think it's like for your lips to make them smooth. It also came with tweezers. This is an eyebrow pencil. It came with this. And then out of this whole box, I'm going to be using two products. So I'm done doing the primer. I'm going to start off with this color right here. It's called Spoiler. So I'm gonna go with this Cup of Joe color. It looks like that. It's like a peach brown. Don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty. I'm using my crease brush, and I'm gonna use this unboxing color. Well, unboxing color, yeah, that's what it's called. It's called unboxing, so I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm gonna apply it below. You can tell it's so glitter. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. And I want this all over my eyelid because I've been dying to try this color. Oh, hey guys, I'm back. I am doing my contour at the moment. Okay. So you guys, follow me on TikTok. I will put my name right here so y'all can follow me. I may do a video after I'm done with this filming, so make sure y'all check out my TikTok. Oops, I'm putting too much. Oh well. Look how pigmented it is. I know it's gonna shine bright like a diamond. Now that that is done, I'm gonna do my powder, my Elizabeth Arden powder, apply it all over my face, the lipstick, and the setting spray, and your girl is done. So let me put on some powder. This helps with my greasy face. Oh, I got the hiccups today. Alright, and then I'm gonna apply the lipstick. It's from Becca, and it's called the Chocolate Geode. I don't know how to say it, but I will link it all down below the description. All the products I use, so it's really pretty. It's like a brick red. Like, it's really pretty. And I like how clear the lipstick is, like this part. It's really clear. The brush itself, it's like curvy to help you apply it really good. Wow, this is actually a really pretty color. I feel like I did too much on this side. Oh well, I'm just here to show y'all what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put on some setting spray. It's been so long since I haven't put setting spray. I didn't really put anything in my hair, so it's natural right now. But I know y'all see a difference. I cut my hair. It was really long. It was like past my bra strap down to like my back, way where my back starts or ends. I don't know. But my hair was that long and I cut it all here because I took all the blonde off my hair because it damaged my hair really bad. As you can see, my curls are starting to come back. See them? They're starting to come back, and if I put more products in my hair, it's more kinky. This is the final look. And I want to thank y'all for watching and having the time to watch my video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. What else? And I did want to keep this other box so I can compare it, because BoxyCharm gave me a big box last month, and then this month a box was smaller. I didn't know they had their own makeup line, but it's really pretty. And then on here it says Boxy Babes, all kinds of stuff. It says like BoxyCharm Beauties, BoxyCharm Babes, all kinds of stuff. I think that's really cute. I like the colors, the pigment on the palette's really good, and that it's really pretty. I'm gonna show you up close. It's really pretty. But in my opinion, I would do like a dark color in the bottom, on the eyelid part, and then add the glitter because I think it'll pop it out more. I prefer pink because the glitter is pink, but you know, it's okay. I'm just testing it out, and I wanted to show y'all the products on how it is. In my opinion, I think it's really good. This lipstick itself is really pretty. You could wear this like a go out date one, like, you know, go on a date. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. You know, it's been a long time since I haven't been on YouTube, and I would love for y'all to show some love on my channel and on my video. With this coronavirus going on, I really can't do much, so I'm just gonna sit home, film, do makeup. I know it's not a difference, but I was actually planning to go out and like do my abandoned videos and stuff like that, because I have a few in mind. But y'all need to stay home, stay safe, make sure you have Germ-X. I got lucky. I got one, and then I have one right here. I have one right here, and Lysol pads. I disinfect my whole room, literally cleaned everything, detail. I also cleaned like this detail, like I cleaned everything. So let me stop talking, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.